Have you ever made a chart in Excel but people still can't understand the numbers? In this quick tip, I'll show you how to add data labels the right way so your charts become clear, clean and professional in just a few clicks. Let's learn how we can do this.
Don't forget to subscribe now and press the bell icon for more videos.
So here you can see that I have the sales data of some products and I want to create chart from this. First of all, I will select it and then I'll go to the insert tab and then I'll click on this recommended chart. I'll click on this recommended chart and then click OK. So this will create the chart. From this chart, we cannot exactly tell the sales of the speaker because it is in between the 200 and the 400. To know these numbers exactly, we need the data labels. To add the data label, I'll click on this plus icon right next to my chart and I'll choose this data label. So the data labels have been added to my chart, but I want to explain some more things about these data labels. For this purpose, I'll go to this arrow sign and then click on this more options. So now luckily the data labels are outside the bars. It could be inside, like you can see sometimes it is inside of the bars. So if by default they are inside of the bars, you should place them to the outside of the bars so that we can easily read them. Then another thing is under these numbers. So if we also want to add the units to this one, then under the number, instead of this journal category, I'll change this to the custom, and in the format code, I'll just change this format code to the numbers, and in inverted commas, I'll place the unit that I want to add in all the data labels, and after this I'll just simply click add. So the units will be added to the numbers as well. Now if we want to make them more stand out, then we can make them bold, we can change the color, or we can do all the things that we need. And that's how you make your chart easier to read by using data labels properly. And if this tip helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Excel tricks. See you in the next one.